I seen you on the side of the road. You need any help? I do roadside assistance.
You do?
Yeah. Did you call anybody?
I called AAA, and they say that I can get somebody in about an hour.
An hour? I mean, I can do it for free. No charge.
Well, if I can explain something, somebody who lives around here stopped to say he would be nice and try to help me out. But he understands if I'm not here. But my situation is my tire is demolished. I do not know what happened to the side of it. I do have a tiny spare, but it's flat.
Oh, it's flat?
Yeah.
I mean, I can pump it up.
You do have the
I have everything. Yes,
Oh, that's great.
Yep, I get you going.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Oh, you probably leaked, something leaked on it and you rode on it and then that's what busted it. Let me see if I can get this aired up.
Do you have a tire shop to recommend where I could get a new tire?
I don't have an actual tire shop, but any tire can help you out. I know it's a couple of them on 15th Street down in Bradenton.
Am I closer to Bradenton than I am to Sun City?
They about the same. I just helped the guy and I passed by you and I seen you, but I ain't see nobody. So I helped that person. I was coming around. I was like, then I seen you. I was like, let me turn around and see if I can give her a help.
This is wonderful. So I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh yeah, I got a business card. You want one? I can give you one. Yeah.
Waits an hour. And then, so I wait. And then the guy they assign says that they tell him he's out of district now, so they've got to find another person.
Wow.
And then they call me back and say it'll be another hour.
Yeah, that's done for you.
Affect the handling or the driving?
Yeah, it'll be a little, yeah. You want to get it swapped out as soon as possible.
I will, as soon as I can find a tire store. on Easter Saturday.
Oh yeah, on Easter Saturday. Oh. All right, you're all set.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, no problem.
I would like to pay you for this.
Oh no, you're good. You're all good. Put this in the back for you.
Well, you're like the Good Samaritan. You're like the Good Samaritan in the Bible.
This what I do.
Well, then let me be a Good Samaritan and buy you several cups of coffee.
All right, thank you. Let me put this stuff on and give you a business card for you.
Thank you. Oh, this is wonderful. I'm going to get home before dark.
Oh yeah, glad I could help. All right, I'm Steven.
Steven.
Yep.
God bless you.
Oh yeah, thank you. No problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you very
You
much.
just scan that and call me. If you want to take a picture of that too, because my number's on there too. If your phone don't scan,
yeah.
you know.
Hold on. I want to sing your praises. So, do you work up and down this road?
Yep. Let me put this stuff out.
All right. Well, let me be your good publicity.
All right. Enjoy the rest of your night. Yep. All right.